Hello, in this video demonstration I will show you how to start a simple Solidworks simulation to evaluate your 3D design. To begin, please open the attached file. It is a spindle from an RC car. This piece connects to the wheels through the central hub in the center, the steering system through this pickup point which is extruded, and the chassis of the RC car through this top plane and bottom plane. In this simulation, we will find out how much the steering pickup point flexes under a load of 5 pound-foot. To begin the SolidWorks simulation, we must first verify that SolidWorks simulation is not pressed, found in the SolidWorks add-ins tab. Next, we will click the Evaluate tab and click SimulationXpress Analysis Wizard. This will begin our simulation sequence. A welcome message will appear. Click Next when you're ready. The first step is to apply our fixtures on a simulation. Here, we need to select the faces of the 3D module that will be fixed in space. That is, these faces cannot move. For this simulation, we will select faces that mount to the RC car's chassis, those parallel to the top and the bottom plane. On the wizard, click Add a Feature. Next, click the top face and the bottom face. These two will be fixed in space, mounted to the chassis. Click the green arrow, OK, to continue. Notice that we have a new option, Edit an Existing Feature. Click Next to continue. Now we will apply the loads to our vehicle. For this simulation, we will apply a force towards the top plane on the faces that mount to the steering pickup point. We may create two separate forces, one for each face, or modify a single force. We will modify a single force. First step is to click Add a Force. The second step, under the Blue Forces section on the Feature tab, select Face 1 and 2. Face 1 and Face 2. Third step is to select Selected Direction. Now the fourth step is to expand the Feature Manager over here, expand this Feature Manager, and find Top Plane. We're going to click Top Plane right over here. Now last, we'll put 5 pound-foot, making sure that our units are in English, IPS. And now we will click the green arrow, OK, to continue. Notice that a new option appears again. When our fixtures and our forces look correct, we will click Next. Next is to change the material. We will start with alloy steel, but we want to change it to ABS plastic, which is more suitable for an RC car. Click Change Material and a pop-up tab will open. Now, find Plastics. Under Plastics, click the first option, ABS. Click Apply, and now click Close. Notice that our material changed to ABS. Click Next. And now we can change our simulation settings, or we can run it. Let's run our simulation. After some calculations, an animation will appear. This animation shows the deformation of the part. If the part deforms as expected, we may continue. Now we can view our results, including displacement with units or the von Mises stress. Notice that the member has the most bending at the corner where there's no more material left. This is as expected. When we're done viewing our results, we can generate a report or generate an eDrawings file. This concludes the video demonstration. Thank you for watching this video.